Oh Gully, thanks so much for coming up here to the North Pole so quickly. I didn't know who else to call.
Hi Tiki Boo. You are welcome, but what's wrong?
Well, Santa went to this conference, with all the other big names, like the Easter Bunny and the Tooth Fairy, and apparently they received this talk from this guy from your village called Iron Triangle.
Oh no Tiki Boo. But do go on.
Apparently he spoke about this thing called projects and project management, and how we should be trying to be Clover Wand accredited. I'm totally confused. We get the gifts out to all the kids every year. I don't know why we now need a new way. The old way works well.
You see Tiki Boo, there is this trend at the moment that we need to be using project management in our work. The reality is, it's not always the right fit for the job.
What do you mean Gully?
Let's go back to some basics. Do you know what a project is Tiki Boo?
The notes from Iron Triangle said it is something with a start and finish that is unique. He said, our preparations for Christmas each year and the sleigh run are projects, and we should be using this thing called a Gantt chart, and conceptualizing our work in terms of cost, time and quality.
Tiki Boo, I have been talking with a friend being Dartseen about this project stuff, and he told me what projects really are. They are a way to resolve some kind of problem, and resolving the problem is not within our normal capability. The North Pole team aren't fixing a problem. And making and delivering the presents is certainly within their capability. There's never been a bad year yet.
That's right. So I don't know why I need these new tools. We have the naughty and nice list. And it's even in spreadsheet these days with color coding, and in terms of the sleigh run, we just have a broad outline of where we need to get to by when, and Santa uses his judgment and reading of the weather to know the best way to go.
Sticking with this approach, because it clearly works for you and the team, would be what being Dartseen would call being authentic. If you changed to all the project management tools just because it's what Tooth Fairy and Easter Bunny were doing, you would be being inauthentic. It would be like one of the reindeer eating Frosty mites just so they were eating the same food as the other reindeer, even if they preferred snowy mites.
I think I get it Gully. But what do I do?
Well, why do you think Santa's so keen on this project management stuff? You do know that there is no evidence that this Clover Wand project approach is the one best way?
To be honest, I think he is worried about his image amongst his peers. If he doesn't get on board with this project management stuff, and something goes wrong, they'll say I told you so.
This is one of the problems Tiki Boo. If Santa implements this project management stuff, he can reduce the likelihood of being blamed if things go wrong, because he was doing what was considered best practice by a certain group. The problem is that it may not actually be what is required for the work of Santa's workshop, and it probably isn't. And doing all this project management stuff just adds to the work that you elves have to do without much value add. Sure, there may be certain project management tools that work well for the workshop, and if they do, use them. But you need to think about your actual work and what is helpful and efficient for the workshop and sleigh run.
So I need Santa to understand that we shouldn't do this just because it's the done thing at the moment. That we should focus on tools that can actually help us do things better. And that might take some courage, in being authentic. But at least we will be able to keep focused on actually getting the children their gifts rather than using tools that aren't the right fit for our work.
That's it Tiki Boo.
Thanks Gully. But I think I will have a challenge on my hands. That Iron Triangle guy has Santa wrapped around his finger.
Oh yes, Iron Triangle can sound good on the pulpit. But he doesn't really appreciate the realities of work and all its messiness. I think we probably need to get you down to my village after the sleigh run for a chat with being Dartseen when he returns from his travels.
Thanks Gully. I best get back to the naughty and nice list. I'll make sure your name is on the nice side.
No problem Tiki Boo. And Merry Christmas.